Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Telegram channel using your Android device. To get started, open the Telegram app and tap the pencil or new message icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap New Channel and then select Create Channel to continue. Enter a name for your channel, then add a description if you'd like. You can also upload a profile picture to make your channel easier to recognize. Once you're done, tap the checkmark or Next button. Now, choose whether you want your channel to be public or private. If you select a public channel, you'll need to create a unique username or link. After that, you can invite contacts to join your channel or skip this step and do it later. Your Telegram channel is now ready to use. You can start posting messages, photos, videos, documents, polls, and other updates for your subscribers. And that's it, you've successfully created a Telegram channel. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.